It's coming. It was like all good. 1 minute late, 30 seconds later, it's just downpouring.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has
Nope.
issued a special marine warning for Lake Erie from Ripley to Dunkirk until 12:45.
They issued a statement for other counties in the south. Just, well, hey, nice. Oh, okay.
A marine weather statement has been issued for areas like Ontario from lower Niagara River to Genesee.
Hey, really?
11:44
Look
p.m.
up.
The radar indicated
Oh, wow.
reducing winds to around 50 knots.
Perfect timing. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? EAS number 71.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a special marine warning for Lake Erie from Dunkirk to Buffalo, the Upper Niagara River, and Buffalo Harbor until 1 p.m. At 12:14 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Wanaka, or 23 miles northeast of Dunkirk, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact:
Yep.
waves.
Nope.
Locations impacted include Small Boat Harbor, Lake Erie Beach, Wanaka, Woodlawn Beach, Erie Basin Marina, Sturgeon Point, Dunkirk, Cold Springs, Bayview, Sunset Bay, and Grand Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Special weather statement for counties in New York, Genesee, Niagara, Northern Erie, and Wyoming.
Nice.
Strong thunderstorms will impact northwestern Wyoming, northeastern Erie, Niagara, and southwestern Genesee counties through 12:45 p.m. At 11 for counties
Is
in
it?
New York, Cattaraugus,
Yep.
Chautauqua, Northern Erie,
This is the new one I was
Southern
talking
Erie, and
about.
Wyoming. Strong thunderstorms will impact western Wyoming, Cattaraugus, Erie, and Chautauqua counties through 1 p.m. At 12:05 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a line of
That's
strong
13 minutes
thunderstorms
ago.
near Findlay Lake, or 13 miles east of Erie, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include West Seneca, Jamestown, Olean, Dunkirk, Fredonia, Hamburg, East Aurora, Salamanca, Allegheny State Park, Evans, Boston, Eden, Springville, Bennington, Colden, Orchard Park, Westfield, Lakewood, Gowanda, and Silver Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 between exits 56 and 60. Interstate 86 between exits 4 and 27. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding.
That's so cool.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The NOAA weather